Good day guys, welcome sa ating lock and load product, features and functions ng SiteMart. Okay guys, so today, i-discuss natin yung product natin na SiteMart na Red Dot Volta. Yung product na to is designed in Texas. So, lifetime warranty ito guys. So, maganda. So, open na natin yung box at mag-unboxing tayo. It comes with user's manual. Naka, siya, protection siya ng rubber. It comes with the, panel yung panglinis natin sa lens. So guys, meron tayong dalawang options sa Picatinny Ray mount. So, it has the low profile tsaka yung high profile. Co-witness na rin siya. So, guys, ito, meron siyang tinatawag na dual power system. Powered by solar. Comes with the 2 AAA battery. So, guys, ito pang isang features niya is yung meron siyang digital switch brightness control. So, meron siyang single side access to both windage and elevation para masiro natin yung target natin. At ang kagandahan nito is meron siyang lifetime warranty. Okay guys, that's it. Ito yung product natin, SiteMart Volta. Check it out in all branches of Lock and Load.